Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your TonKeeper app to your Binance app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so obviously you need the TonKeeper app and Binance app on your mobile device. And now a few things to mention while I open up TonKeeper. You can't send Ton directly to Binance. You need to swap your Ton inside TonKeeper to USDT and then swap the USDT over to Binance. So if you don't know how to do that, obviously open up TonKeeper, click onto swap here, and then swap Ton to USDT. So as you can see, I've got Ton here, receive USDT, and now send over as much as you want or as little as you want. And then once you've done that, go back and then click on send. And then from there, put in the address or name and comment here, and you get that from Binance. So let's head over to Binance and I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm going to open up Binance and log in. Once I've logged in, I'll continue the video from there. Alright, I'm inside my Binance app on my phone. So now I'm going to click onto wallets down below. And now from here, what I want to do is click on deposit. And then from here, we need to click onto USDT. And then we've got to choose the network. So you need to choose Ton network. So if we scroll down here, we've got Toncoin. So you click onto Toncoin. And then click on OK. And then scroll down. And then what you want to do is, this is the deposit address that you need to put into TonKeeper and the comment here. So go ahead and copy both of these to your clipboard. So copy and copied. And now head back over to TonKeeper. Put in the address here. So in the comment section, that's my code here. And now the address, click onto that. Now I'm going to open up my clipboard and paste it. So open up my clipboard. There we go here. And now click on continue. As it says here, you must include the note from the exchange for transfers. Without it, your funds will be lost. So you need to put in that note there. And then click continue. And what you want to do is click on Ton, click on USDT. I don't have any money in the TonKeeper app at this point in time. And then from here, put in as much USDT and then click continue to send money from your TonKeeper app to your Binance app.